So being that we're getting into the vacation season, I ended up buying this indoor watering system. Now, I do have other watering systems for out in my garden. They run off of solar, but this one is an indoor one. You can either charge it by a C-port charger, or the charge alone on this thing will stay for 60 days. So if you have somewhere that you have to put it that doesn't have power, no problem. This thing will keep charge for 60 days. Now, this unit does have a lot of features to it, and one of them stands alone to me because my other drip system does not do it. So let me get into these features so you can see why I like this one way more than my other ones, other than the fact that there's solar out there. So this unit does do up to 15 pots, and it did provide a lot of the drip line. They did provide 15 of these drippers and your line splicers. So if you are doing multiple pots, you would definitely need these splitters. You can also either mount the unit to the wall, or you can mount it to a bucket or something like that off of your water. Okay, so here's the actual unit itself. It does have a LED screen. At the top you do have timing. You got your battery here, your clock, your watering. You can do minutes, hours, seconds, first watering time. As far as the intervals go of watering, you can go hours up to every 12 hours, or you can jump to days. So you can go from 1 day all the way up to 15 days. So this feature right here, the humidity, I don't have that feature on my other units. So this is an awesome feature to me. I can make sure that my soil is properly watered. So the unit has started. You can hear it going. And it is watering my plants. I can feel that it's coming through. That just shows you how much it waters for that minute. It kicked itself off because it is 1 minute out. So all in all, if you're looking for a way to water your plants with minimal effort, this is a great way of doing it. Only thing you have to do is make sure your watering source is full.